Welcome to another session of assembly language programming. Today's program is to find the largest number from a list of numbers. That means we need to find a largest element from an array. The logic for this program or the algorithm is declare an array of numbers, find its size, point the array with si, store size minus 1 into CL, because if there are n numbers there will be only n minus 1 number of comparisons will be there, so that's why we are storing size minus 1 into CL. Then move first number into register AL, compare AL with SI plus 1, that means compare the number in AL with the second element of the array. If AL is greater than SI plus 1, go to the next element and perform the comparison, else get the SI plus 1 value into AL and go to the next element. Then repeat these steps 6 and 7 until the count becomes 0. So this is the logic for finding the largest element of an array. So this is the program. So largest number and given list of numbers. So here you can see that in data segment we have declared an array db 01 07 08 03 09 are the elements of the array. A underscore size eq dollar minus array is to find the size of the array. Then largest db question mark is the largest number that we want to store the result into it. Then move ax data, move ds comma ax will initialize the data segment. Get the first element into AL. So copy first number into AL. Then compare AL with SI plus 1. Jump if greater than 2. Next. Else move SI plus 1 value into AL. Move to next element, that is increment SI. Loop back will perform decrementing of CL and jump if not 0 to back. That means this will be repeatedly compare all the elements with the AL. If the AL value is greater than SI plus 1, then we'll advance to the next element. If AL is less than SI plus 1, then copy the SI plus 1 value into AL, and by the end of this loop you will have the largest element in AL. Then copy that element into the memory operand largest. Move AH4CH interrupt to 1H will end the execution. So this is the program and logic of the program. Now we'll move on to the execution part. Open that ASM. I have already created the program, just let's open it. Edit large.asm. So see here you can declare the array of the numbers. So here I have taken the numbers 1 7 8 3 9 and the largest element from this list is 9. So we have to find out whether we get the 9 as the largest element or not. Okay, so the rest of the program is as it is that I have shown you in the presentation. Let's move on to the execution part. So exit from here, assemble the code TASM large.asm. So no errors and no warnings, just link the code t-link large.obj. Linking also successful. Just execute the turbo debugger td large. So this opens the turbo debugger window. So here just execute the program line by line. This performs a data segment initialization. Si is pointed to the array and cs will get a length minus 1, that means a 5 minus 1, that is 4. Get the first element into AL. So now 0 1 is taken into AL. Compare AL with SI plus 1. Okay. Jump if greater than 2. Next, otherwise copy that element into that. So 1 is compared with 7 and 7 is a larger value than 1, so AL will get the 7. Here we can see that 7, so we'll keep on do that. So when your count becomes 0, the comparison is over and the largest element is copied into the memory operand largest. So we'll just open the view, go to dump, and here you can see that 1, 7, 8, 3, 9 are our elements, or it is the array. Then 0, 9 is the largest element. You just close this dump. So finish the program, exit from here, again open the code. Okay, I'll change first element from 1 to A. Okay, so here now the largest element is A, that is 10. Okay, so let's check whether we get the A or not. Save this code, exit from here, perform the assembling, perform the linking, then execute. So we'll keep on execute this until your count becomes a 0. Now go to view and dump. So here you can see that A 7, 8, 3, 9 is my array and 0 is the largest element. So friends, so your program successfully find out the largest element from the list of the numbers from an array. Okay, this is the program, friends. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.